If you're looking for a web design course on Coursera, you might be wondering which one offers the best value. In this review, I'll cover the top recommendation, what you'll learn, and whether it's worth taking in 2026. Before we begin, check the discount link in the description. Eligible learners can get 40% off the Coursera Plus monthly plan for the first 3 months. My top recommendation is Web Design for Everybody, Basics of Web Development and Coding from the University of Michigan. It has a 4.7-star rating with more than 35,000 reviews, making it one of the most popular web design programs on Coursera. The specialization is beginner-friendly and takes about 3 to 6 months to complete. Throughout the program, you'll learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, responsive web design, wireframing, accessibility, Bootstrap, front-end development, debugging, and modern web design best practices. You'll also complete practical projects that help you build a professional portfolio. If you're interested in user-centered web design, Google's Build Dynamic User Interfaces for Websites is another excellent option. It has a 4.8-star rating with nearly 3,900 reviews and focuses on responsive design, Figma, wireframing, prototyping, and creating modern user interfaces. Overall, I think the University of Michigan specialization is the better choice because it combines web design with essential coding skills. That makes it a stronger foundation if you want to become a web designer or front-end developer. Instead of paying for courses individually, I recommend Coursera Plus. It gives you access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, and specializations from leading universities and companies. You can earn unlimited certificates while exploring web design, UX, programming, AI, and many other in-demand skills. If you're serious about learning Web Design for Everybody remains one of the best programs on Coursera. Check the discount link in the description to see if the current 40% off offer for the first 3 months is still available.